went outside, right?
Louder.
So Deuce went. Oh, okay, guys. So this what happened. My mama was taking out the trash, right? Deuce went outside because my mama thought that Deuce was going to use the restroom, but no, he went to Miss Bat house, all the way down there. So my mama was like, Deuce, Deuce, Deuce. So when Deuce, so when Deuce had came, his ears went up, and my mama had pick him up, bring him to the bathroom. Then she was like this with a black slipper. What did I tell you not to disrespect me? You understand me? You listen to me right now. You cannot go to no one house without permission. Doesn't make myself clear. Doesn't make myself clear. And dude was like,